Hey everyone, in today's video, Bowie, Christina, and I are going to go hike in the Owyhees. She had to run inside real quick to grab something, but like I said, we're going to go do a hike in the Owyhees. Not even quite sure which one yet, or if it's even going to be one that has a designated name or anything like that, as much as maybe just hiking around out there just because it's so gorgeous out today. So again, that's what we're doing in this video. Come along. We decided on Wilson Creek BLM Recreation Area in the Owyhee Front. It is awfully busy out here today, and it is because it is an absolutely gorgeous day out, 70 degrees in April. But this trail here eventually leads to my favorite hike in all of Idaho, which is China Ditch. And I actually made a video about China Ditch last year, if you want to check that out. We don't really have a goal in mind or an aim. We're just out enjoying the sunshine, enjoying the weather, hiking around in the Owyhees. So yeah, we're out here in the Wilson Creek BLM Recreation Area, hiking aimlessly. That's what we're doing in this video. Well, we didn't plan on or intend on doing this hike, but here we are at China Ditch Trail, China Ditch Loop, which again could quite possibly be my favorite hike I've ever done in Idaho. Just breathtaking. My camera won't do it justice. Just absolutely gorgeous. Reynolds Creek runs through the middle of it. Ginormous red rock walls, and a very well-groomed trail built, gosh, the year's slipping my mind. But yeah, just love this hike, love this trail, love the Owyhees. Wow, just wow. And like I said, we didn't come out here with a plan. We're actually trying to decide on the Wilson Creek area or going to the Celebration Park area. And we decided on this, and then we just started hiking, and we ended up here. So this is the return to China Ditch. Again, I've got one other video on my channel where Bowie and I hiked this, and I love this hike so much, so much. So we just made it through China Ditch, and like I said, I absolutely love that trail. Just breathtaking, just beautiful. My camera won't do it justice. But we're here at this Y, where you can continue on that way, in which I never have before, or you can head up this steep ravine where Christina and Bowie are heading, and that loops around back to the car. get back to the car. That was the China Ditch Trail Loop. We did not plan on or intend to do this hike when we set out from home, but this is where we ended up, and I absolutely love that hike. It is an 8-mile loop trail in the Owyhee Front in southwestern Idaho, and like I said, it very well could be my favorite hike I've ever done in Idaho. But thanks for watching. You guys are the best. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And from Bowie, Christina, and I, we'll catch you on the next video.